Welcome to the TSI Mathematics Boot Camp. This is the booklet that we'll be using in the next 3 days. Mathematics is success, unlock your future. By you enrolling in our TSI Boot Camp, you have taken the first step in improving your TSI scores. And I just want to say that the TSI scores that you get does not mean that you cannot be a doctor, you cannot be an engineer, you cannot be a nurse, you cannot be a teacher. The scores are only there to help you place into our classes. So whatever score you get, if it's not 350 and above, don't feel like you can never be a doctor or a nurse or engineer or whatever field it is that you're trying to be. There's no pass or fail grade. This is only a placement exam to help you see what class you need to be enrolled in. The first thing that I want to go over is this TSI Practice App. It's a free app. If you go to this website and sign up, you'll be able to practice problems that will help you to improve your grade as well. It gives you 3 options. You have reading, writing, and math. Once you go into the math, you'll have some more options. You'll have a pre-calculus and an intermediate level. You want to practice mainly in the intermediate level and then also some of the pre-calculus level. The next handout are just, this is a handout on factoring steps. And basically it goes over what is the process when we're trying to factor. And we're going to discuss this in more detail. These are just some helpful sheets that you can use as we go through our 3-day sessions. Basically, these are going to help you to decide if you can factor a number. So for example, 3 is prime and the only factors are 1 and 3, but 4 is composite, so you have more than 2 factors. So you have 1, 4, and then you have an additional 1. So these numbers 1, 2, 3, 6, these are called factors, which we'll discuss when we get started. And then you have this chart which will also help you. Okay. Now the TSI Boot Camp, what we'll be covering in the 3 days is as follows. We have these 11 topics, and the way we came up with these topics is basically I took the test a few times, and from that taking that test, then I figured these were the topics that were the most important in order to get a 350 and above. So the first topic is order of operations. And so order of operations, um, whenever we have multiple operations, these are the order that we want to follow. So first you want to do the parentheses, then we want to do exponents, then we do multiplication division. If whatever comes first from left to right, that's what you would do first. So we would do multiplication if that's what you see first coming left to right. Then we do addition and subtraction. Example 1. So here we have multiplication, subtraction, exponents, parentheses. So first we'll do the parentheses. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Then we'll do the exponent. 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2, which is going to be 8. Then we have multiplication, 16 times 4, 64. And then we have 64 minus 8 plus 3. So we would do subtraction 4 first. So we get 56 plus 3 is 59. Okay.